Most of us have had a broken bike sometimes in our lives. Strangely, few are motivated to fix it and instead turn to other means of transportation. This has now changed. With Fixi, a car comes to your chosen destination, picks up your broken bike, drives it to a repair shop, and as soon as the bike is repaired, Fixi drops it off wherever you want it. As good as new. Simple, isn't it? And this is just Fixi Repair. You can also rent a bike with Fixi Subscription, a service that solves all the hassle with owning your own bicycle. You just choose a bike and a price plan, then Fixi delivers the bike. And of course, services and repairs are included during the rental period. But there's more. We also offer Fixi Marketplace, your local bicycle supplier, online. There, you can find new and used bicycles, as well as all the accessories you need. It's like Amazon, but for bikes. So, to put it simply, we've gathered and digitalized everything in the biking ecosystem to offer the consumer a one-stop shop for all their bicycle needs. One of the most sustainable means of transport, growing every day. Smart, right? Okay, everyone can come up with a great idea. But how's the numbers? I'm guessing that's why you're here. No problem, we got it covered. With a solidified marketplace in place and partnerships with companies who are promoting or encouraging bike transportation to, from, and/or in the workplace, our plan is to scale globally. We're targeting 2 to 3% of a $50 billion global market within 5 to 8 years. The first step toward this is to expand the business in Sweden and to penetrate new geographic markets. This is where you come in. To achieve this, we now seek 4 million at a valuation of 35 million. You need more convincing? Let us tell you more about what we've achieved so far. Apart from having created a solid business model, we've made 1.7 million krona and helped over 5,000 happy customers across 10 cities and given over 30 local bike shops more work. We've partnered with Fedora and Evo Bikes to mention a few. But more importantly, we're repairing this earth, bike by bike. And we're just getting started. There are more than 100 bike-friendly cities just in Europe, and millions of bike lovers around the world. Someday, these bikes will need a service or a repair. Fixi will make their lives easier and keep a sustainable transport running. We are going to be the largest marketplace for bikes in the world. This is your chance at taking a stance in making our world green. Join our ride.